Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be doing a review on the Hapa Kristin Devoted Kristin collection. This collection comes in 4 shades. I don't know why I only have 2 boxes here. I think I lost the other 2 somewhere, but I will be doing a full review on all of the colors. So it comes in grey, green, blue and hazel. But before we get started on the review, I just want to talk a little bit about the shipping, just because I always feel like Hapa Kristin's shipping is so worth it by the time you buy a decent amount of contact lenses. So if you want to get free shipping, you just need to spend over $75 to get free DHL shipping, guys. So DHL shipping, which means express shipping, or you can pay like a flat rate of $9.99 if you spend under $40, or if you spend between $40 and $74.99, then you would just need to pay $4.99 for DHL shipping, which I think is such a decent price for a shipping rate, especially DHL at a moment like this. Like some websites, when I pay for DHL to come to New Zealand right now, I would have to pay between like $20 to $40, but with this I either get free shipping if I spend over $70, or I just pay $4.99 or $9.99, which is such a decent price anyway. The price is $25.99 just because this is a monthly lens. So one box of lens only comes in a pair and it lasts for a month. If you want to get additional 10% discount, you can as well. I'll put my code here down below for you guys to check out. It is affiliate, so by all means, if you don't want to use it, it's okay, but if you want to save more money, feel free to use my 10% discount code. The diameter for this is 13.1mm, which is like the graphic diameter, which is what you see when you apply it, but the overall diameter of how the actual size is 14mm, so it is leaning towards the larger side but not too large. I am currently wearing right now, the shade that I'm wearing is the shade blue. With the design for this, I feel like it is really unique compared to all of the Hapa Kristin contact lens I've tried. And this design, at first when I saw it, I felt like it might be too unnatural for me, and I felt like it might be really obvious on the eyes, just because when you look at it, you know, firsthand and without putting onto your eyes, the design has like this really obvious star design on it, and you can see all this like patterns that swirls around the star. But when you actually put it on, it gives you like a really nice milky cloudy finish without making it look really obvious or too obvious, pretty much obvious really. And I can't really see the star as well. The star sort of look more like it's blending into my iris, and then all those milky cloudy type of design just blends all nicely to make it look like my eye color is like a 3-tone shade, but at the same time looks really natural at the same time, if that makes sense. Like I was super impressed with the gray one when I did the gray color contact lens haul, hence why I decided to get the other 3 to do like a full review for you guys as well. Since I'm wearing the blue one now, I must well talk about the blue contact lens first. And with this blue color contact lens, it actually has like 3 different type of blue shade. You get a little bit of that aqua shade on the inside, combination with like a light blue, and then on the outer part you get like a gray blue as well, but it doesn't give you like a super obvious outline to make it look like you're wearing like an enlarging contact lens. It just all blends out really nicely, and then when actually looking at it on my eyes right now, it leans towards much more like pretty much like my denim color, jacket color on my eyes, but not that obvious, if that makes sense. Like I honestly love this particular blue. Like, yeah, this one you can definitely see the star design much more than the other 3 colors, but I actually don't mind because yeah, it just looks really nice. Next one is a hazel color, and this one is definitely not a brown shade, but it looks a bit like a hazel light golden shade, if that makes sense, just because when you look at it, the contact lens consists of like yellow, hazel and a little bit of dark brown. When you actually put it on your eyes, it leans much more toward like a mesmerizing light golden brown shade, which I obviously love. It definitely gives me more of like a puppy eye look, and when I use this for my Innisfree vintage filter video, I actually love the combo of it because it definitely make me look very like feminine, very jolly light, and yeah, I just love the turnout of that particular shade and definitely blend really nicely into my iris as well. That one is a green shade and I was super surprised with that particular shade as well, just because when I saw it, it looks much more towards like a lime green, not so much like a jade dark green, definitely much more like lime apple green shade when I first saw it. But when I actually apply on my eyes, it leans much more to like a medium dark green, which I honestly don't mind, and surprisingly I feel like it is very natural looking compared to this blue. Is probably like on the same level as the Hazel, and not often I would say that for like a green contact lens, because yeah, green on an Asian eyes, but I love green contact lens, so I was super amazed with that particular green as well. And I even toned down my eyeshadow, like my eye look, when I use that green, and it just blends really nicely. Because you know how sometimes when you wear a green contact lens, you need to like make sure you have like eyeliner, a decent amount of eyeshadow on, you know, to make sure that it doesn't look like unbalanced, if that makes sense. But with this green, like I just like put on like one tone eyeshadow. Did I put eyeliner? Yeah, a little bit of eyeliner and mascara, and that's it, and I just love the turnout of it. So yeah, pretty impressed with that. Last but not least is a grey one, which I've tried before, and this one is much more of like a pink grey contact lens, surprisingly, because when you look at the contact lens, it has a little bit of pink. I'm not sure why they put pink in that grey contact lens, but I love the combo of it, because when you actually put on my eyes, you definitely see that grey but a little bit of that pink, and I feel like pink and grey really blend really nicely for any type of combo, whether you're using a handbag and clothes, grey, you know, grey dress with pink handbag, or like grey top with pink earrings. I don't know, like all those type of combo, pink and grey always sounds really nice. So when I saw this on the contact lens, I was like, oh, this might actually turn out really great. And when I actually applied on my eyes, I was super amazed with it, because obviously the pink wasn't that obvious, but you can see a little bit of that coming out between the greys, which I think is such a unique grey contact lens. Those are my reviews on all 4 of the contact lenses. I definitely love all of them, but if I would have to rate them or like put them in my most favorite to my least favorite, number 1 would definitely be this blue color, number 2 would definitely be green, 3 would be Hazel, and 4 would be the color grey. I mean, I do like all of them, but if I have to choose one, that would be it. Let me know what other contact lens from Hapa Kristin you guys want me to do. I do have a couple more for you guys. Definitely stay tuned, because there will be a giveaway with Hapa Kristin coming up soon, so little teaser there, so thought I'll let you guys know in advance. So definitely stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, keep an eye on my videos. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.